Immediately I found a good entry point and made a 2-minute trade on the upside. What an easy profit! Wow! I am just shocked at these results. I gave 15 of my partners a strategy to test and each of them increased their balance at least 10 times in a week. Can you believe on it? This is a top strategy for the beginner with which you can multiply your deposit several times in 2 days. To work on the strategy, you only need to have a phone and a lot of space in your wallet, as the profit will be gigantic. Immediately go to my channel and watch the full video, where you will learn how to make money on binary option today and without any risk. So let's get straight to the essence of the strategy. But first, let's select all the necessary parameters and indicators. Go to the indicator tab and select Bollinger Bands and Stochastic, and then go to their setting. For Bollinger Bands, the setting will be the following: estimate 2 standard deviation, make 2. The appearance you can leave unchanged, or by pausing the clip, copy my individual setting. Customize the stochastic indicator exactly as I did, because even one wrongly adjustable parameter can give completely different indicators and entry points. So you can also copy the look and feel from me by pausing the club. Don't forget about the Japanese candlestick time frame settings, which are 1 minute, and the trade time in 2 minutes. I will enter each trade for $300. Immediately I found a good entry point and made a 2-minute trade on the upside. And let's move on to the analysis of this trade. We have two indicators that give clear signal to the enter deal. The first signal is the signal from the indicator Bollinger Band, where we see that the price has touched the lower line of the indicator and begin to react from it, which is powerful signal. The second signal for us is the movement of the stochastic indicator line, which are between the oversold and overbought zone lines. In this case, the lines are starting to move out of the oversold zone. Look, we have an oversold line at 20 and we have an overbought line at 80, where we see our stochastic indicator line coming out of the oversold zone, and we see the price is starting to react to the lower Bollinger Band indicator lines. Only when both indicators show us the same direction of movement can we open a position on the upside, which I did, and now we just have to wait for the end of the trade and get our profit. What an easy profit! Wow! Now I will find you another assets to enter the trade to show the adequacy and confidence of the strategy. But definitely, I want to show you this on the selling assets so that you can consider both options for entering the trade. In the previous signal, I show you how to buy an asset using this strategy. Great! Here is great entry point, and I open a down option with a trade amount of $300. And I will also tell you how this strategy works if anyone has not figured it out yet. I saw that the price touched the Bollinger Band line, and we can also see that the stochastic price is in the overbought zone. Don't be frightened, because we see that the stochastic lines are very close to the oversold line and are about to cross it. That's why I make a deal on the downside, so to speak, ahead of time. I am confident in this strategy, and I forecast that I made. As I have been working on it for quite a long time, I can make such deals steadily. Now you will see for yourself that the price will start to leave the overbought zone, and the Bollinger Band, we will see how the price will start to react to touching the line and will go down. Let's just wait for me to take a profit on this trade. And it's profit again. You can see how easy it is. Although it's not a sure profit this time, that's the second profitable trade in a row. Let me find another situation and see how it plays out. Friends, I want to remind you about my free Telegram channel, in which you can find reviews and achievement of my VIP partners, get unique news of the trading world, as well as write to me in private message and get a completely free online consultation on making money on binary option. do not hesitate and write to me in private message. I will be waiting for all of you. I found the situation and I opened an upside option for 2 minutes. I also wanted to recommend you the broker where I trade because it gives the largest percentage payouts and fast withdrawal from the platform. The link for registration on the platform I will leave in the description to this video. I remind you that by registering on this link, you will get a bonus, which is to receive several unique paid strategy from the broker, and I give you for free. So just for registration. So we are picking up our third profit from this strategy, fire. Write your received profit in the comment to this video and in private message Telegram. I will be gladly answer and help you. Until new meetings, with you was Rao.